Welcome back, people. We're up at the deer farm. We're in the caddy. We're in the caddy van. A little off-road in the caddy van. It's nice and flat up here, and we only get slow anyway. So we'll see what these bees are doing. Today could be the day. That's why I've come. Oh, there's a little bee over there. Look. That's why I've come up in the van, because we're going to probably take the honey off. It's a beautiful day. It started off a bit ropey, but now, yeah, it's nice and hot. Oh look, there's swifts. They're swift bird things. Not the American trucking company. Flying across the grass there. I don't think you can see him. You might see him on the Gopro. Low and fast. It's Woody the wood pigeon. Yeah, look. Look at them. So they're not catching bees. So they don't eat bees, hey, because they'd hoover up a few. Yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing. Oh, it looks quite quiet. Well, no, it's not, but... Anyone gone into the bait hives? Hey up, I just see a bee come out of wood. Surely they're just robbers. Anyway, I'm going to turn around, get suited and booted, and we're going to get on. Yeah, it just looked like one coming out. Blackberries are out. We need to do some blackberry picking, Mark. Anyway, I'm going to spin round, so I'm facing the other way. I'm going to get closer to the hives with the van, so we're not got so far to carry heavy boxes, because I think today we're taking them off. So I doubt at all the GoPro will pick this up, but looking in the sky, coming that way, all the bees are coming back from that way, so they're on something over there. It's just a mass of bees flying towards us. So they're all finding something over there. I really don't think the GoPro will pick it up. Jesus. Hopefully they're not all coming back, because they see the van. And they're like, here he comes. We know his plan. We're going to interrupt him. Oh my goodness. So I'm not sure what they're on over there, but something's got them. So I've got to number the hives today. Number all the hives and number all the supers, like all the hives with, say, that hive with 3 supers, they've all got the same number on, so that they can get the same supers back, because they all need one for winter. Yeah. I brought the van instead of the Panda to these ones, because I'll get it all in the van. I'd get it in the Panda, but could have used the trailer, I suppose. Anyway, we'll use the van. Oh yeah, I'm using this today. Got it off of eBay. It takes DeWalt battery. The blower. It's got some power actually. It's got some go, so I'm going to use that. I'll probably have to take the end off, because it's got how much power it blows the end off. But yeah, I'm going to put the camera on time lapse and video. Hopefully no bees get sucked in there. Well, there's a filter, so. But yeah, it's got some power, so we're going to use that to blow the bees off the frames out of the boxes. Oh yes, guys, check out the caddy. Looking fresh. Got some bling bling tint on the lights going on. It's honeycomb pattern. Yes, the bee wagon. Looking fresh, caddy van.